Today I'm going to show you guys how to add the matrix effect to any footage you want in DaVinci Resolve, just like you're seeing on screen right now. Now you'll be able to do this, no plugins needed. So what we are going to do first is load in the footage. It can be any number of footage. And then we're going to go over to effects here. Now this is just a personal preference, honestly, but I think it's always best to do stuff with an adjustment clip. That way we could drag it over however long our project is. If it spans to 2 different clips, 3 different clips, etc. So once we have that, we click on the adjustment clip and we click on the Fusion tab. I know what you're thinking, Fusion tab, scary. And yes, the Fusion tab can be scary, but what we're going to do is super simple. First, we're going to click on here, this media in, and we're just going to delete it. Yeah, we deleted the media in. Next, we are going to go up here, right next to media pool, and click on effects. Go to templates, okay? And then we are going to type in, we are going to hit search, and then type in matrix, because that's what we're looking for. And yeah, sure, the technically a plugin I have here, but the top one is not a plugin. So we will just drag that to here and then simply just attach it to here. And that's all we need to do with the Fusion tab. Easy peasy there. So we go back to edit. It actually loaded up, but I know what you're thinking. But there's a black background here. What's with that? Well, that's simple enough to get rid of, okay? Go here to composite mode, okay? If it's not, if it's grayed out for you, just make sure to ungray it out. And then what we want to go to is, well, we can go to a number of different things, but what I'm looking for in particular will be screen. And then if we play this back, you will see that we have the effect. Now for me, it doesn't freeze normally in the output, but if you're seeing it freeze a bit on your computer, it's because this effect, just like anything with the Fusion tab, uses quite a bit of resources. But don't worry, it will not freeze in the final render at all. So definitely keep that in mind. Now we could stop there, plain and simple. Looks good already. But if you want to go a little more advanced with it, we can go over here back to the Fusion tab. Double click on matrix. Click on text here. And you can see we can change the color. Like say we want this color, for example, we can come back here and the color is indeed changed. Now it changed to that orangish color. Again, let's actually pick a darker color. We can change the color to like blue, for example. Click OK, and then go to edit here. And then as you can see, the color is now blue. So, and if you want it to be a bit darker, because, you know, you want it to be a bit darker, here's a little trick, okay? Hold down options, and then you can drag up to just make another layer, duplicate the layer, keep duplicating it till you get as dark as you want it to be. That's the secret there. So yeah, there is the basic effect, and then there's a little bit more advanced if you want to be a bit more advanced. And hope, again, like I said, once you render it out and everything, it will be just fine. If playback is a little choppy, it's just because the Fusion tab actually takes up quite a bit of resources on the computer. But playback should be just fine. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment section below, and hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.